Hello everyone, welcome. This is your elective subject, hardware and PC maintenance. So now introduction to networking hardware. So each networked host fulfills a certain role. A remote computer called a web server. It stores the files that make up a website. Okay. So the web server uses server programs to store and share the data. So the role of a web server is to provide access to websites. Two popular web server programs are Apache HTTP server and Microsoft Internet Information Services, that is IIS. So when you access a website, your web browser asks the web server to share the web page files and then displays them. So because your computer asks for the web page, we call it the client. That's the role of the local host in this example. The remote computer that serves the website is a server. So our local computer is called a client, and client request for some specific pages, and the server is the remote computer. It receives the request from the client and sends the response. Okay, so here, to share and access resources, a network must have the following. So first one is something that defines and standardizes the design and operation of cabling, network cards, and the interconnection of multiple computers, that is protocols, and an addressing method that enables clients to find servers and enables servers to send data to clients no matter the size of the network. And third one, some method of sharing resources and accessing those shared resources. Okay, so to share and access resources, a network must have all these three things. Okay, and the network interface card or NIC. So here NIC or network interface card is also called a network card. Network adapter and LAN adapter is a piece of computer hardware designed to allow computers to communicate over a computer network. See, NIC is also called a network card or network adapter or LAN adapter. So it allows users to connect to each other either through wired or wireless network. So although other technologies exist, Ethernet has come in existence since the mid of 1990s. So Ethernet is a protocol. Okay, so here every Ethernet network card has a unique 48-bit serial number called a MAC address or media access control address, and which is stored in ROM. So that means it is hard code. Okay, so it is stored in ROM, and every computer on an Ethernet network must have a card with the unique MAC address. So no two cards ever manufactured share the same address. So your NIC card or network interface card has its MAC address, and MAC address is unique. Okay, and a network card typically has a twisted pair port where the network cable is connected and a few LED to inform the user of whether the network is active. Okay, so say this is the NIC, the green one. The green piece is called NIC. Now, how to fix NIC onto a system? Fixing NIC. So you should follow the manufacturer's instructions. So while fixing a NIC to your system, and NIC is easy to install. The only considerations for installation are that you have an available slot and that the NIC is designed for the slot type you have. So you should have the required slot for the NIC. Okay, so most systems use a PCI slot for a NIC, that is peripheral component interface. See, PCI. So this is a PCI, and you should check that you have an available slot and the slot type before purchasing a NIC, because it should be compatible. Okay, so the NIC that you are going to purchase and the slot type, it should match. So here now steps of to install your NIC. Okay, first one is unplug the system, that means switch off the system, remove the cover of the case or cabinet of the CPU, and remove the cover plate adjacent to the slot for your NIC to be fixed. Okay, and the fourth one, align the NIC over the slot with the jack facing the outside of the system, and set the NIC onto the slot and press down firmly. Make sure that mounting bracket is properly aligned with any slot and that might be present. It may be necessary to gently rock the card from end to end to secure it in the slot. The gold contacts at the bottom of NIC should nearly or completely disappear into the slot. The card should be level and straight. See the gold contact of the NIC. Okay, see this portion, the gold contact, and so in this NIC picture, the golden color, the gold contact. Okay, when you fix the NIC, this should be disappeared. Okay, that gold contact should be disappeared into the slot. Okay, the card should be level and straight. And the sixth step is secure the NIC mounting bracket to the case with the screw, and replace the cover. Plug in the system, plug in the Ethernet wire to the RJ45 jack. So you know already what is RJ45 jack, and plug the other end into the modem or hub, and the router, or if using a crossover wire, connect directly to another system. Okay. Okay, let us watch one video how to install a network card. Okay.